Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case browser. Then click on the square button to access background apps and tap on the top right corner of your app. Then select the other one, in my case messages. Now to enter split screen you need to hold this gray line and drag it to the top or to the bottom. When you see this gray area, let go. And as you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!